If you're tired of manually assigning IP addresses to every device on your network, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to set up a DHCP server on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, so your network can automatically assign IP addresses to computers, phones, and other devices, just like a router does. This is perfect for home labs, small offices, testing environments, or anyone learning Linux networking. Let's get started. Before setting up a DHCP server, your Ubuntu machine must have a static IP address. Why? Because a DHCP server cannot rely on an IP address that changes. If its IP changes, clients won't know where to request addresses from, and your entire network breaks. Next, identify the network interface using this command. Mine is ENS33, and it has the static IP address I just configured. If you are on a headless Ubuntu machine that is one with no graphical interface, you can set up a static IP address using this file. The configs you can use are in the video description. Since I have already set up a static IP using the GUI, no need to change anything in here. It will look like this, but I will not save it myself. Next, install the DHCP server. Before you do that, first update your system. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Its job is simple. When a device connects to the network, the DHCP server automatically gives it an IP address, gateway, DNS server, and other network settings. Without DHCP, you'd have to configure all of that manually on every single device, which gets painful very fast. Next, we need to tell the DHCP server which network interface it should listen on. Replace it with your actual interface name. I already know mine, you saw it earlier. Now let's configure how IP addresses will be assigned. Delete everything and paste the following change: IP addresses according to your network. Test the configuration. Start the DHCP server. Check its status. If you see active running, your DHCP server is officially live. The final step is testing. Connect another device to the same network and set its network configuration to automatic or DHCP. If everything is working correctly, the device should receive an IP address from your defined range. The correct gateway, the DNS servers you configured. If clients aren't getting IP addresses, make sure no other DHCP server is running on the same network. Double check your network interface name. Ensure your firewall isn't blocking DHCP traffic, UDP ports 67 and 68. In production networks, it's always best to run only one DHCP server per subnet. And that's how you set up a DHCP server on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS from scratch. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Linux, Ubuntu, and Home Lab tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.